everyone, and welcome back to English Clear Conversations, where learning English is easy, fun, and feels like talking to a friend. I'm Rebecca, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Rebecca. It's great to be with you all. Hey, everyone. How are you today, Rebecca?
I'm great, James. Really great. I'm feeling positive and happy because we have another wonderful episode today. And you? How are you today?
I'm fantastic. I slept well, I had my morning coffee, and I'm ready for a fun conversation.
Me too. I love these moments with our listeners. And before we start, thank you to everyone who listens to us every week.
Yes, thank you. And if you enjoy our podcast, remember to subscribe and click the like button. It really, really helps our channel.
Exactly. Share this episode with your friends, too. So, James, what is our topic for today?
Today, we're talking about something everyone mentions every single day. The weather. Sun, rain, snowman. How to talk about the weather in simple, natural English. You know, talking about the weather is actually one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English. It's simple, it's safe, and everyone, beginners and native speakers, uses it every single day.
Exactly. Even native speakers say things like, nice weather today. It's freezing. Looks like rain. People use these phrases all the time without thinking.
And the funny part is, sometimes people talk about the weather when they don't know what else to say.
Yes, it's like a friendly little conversation starter.
Or the emergency button. When your brain goes blank, you just say, uh, so, nice weather, huh?
Oh, yes. The classic, nice weather. Everyone does that. Even I do it sometimes.
But here's the good news. Talking about the weather is more than small talk. It helps you connect with people. It shows you're friendly. It shows you're open to conversation. And it helps you practice English without pressure.
Right. No stress, no complicated grammar. Just simple, everyday English. And today, we want to show you how to sound natural, confident, and warm when you talk about the weather.
So don't think, oh, this is too basic. Basic is powerful. It's where real communication starts.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to start a conversation anywhere, at work, in school, with a friend, with a stranger, just by talking about the weather, and sound natural doing it.
Okay, ready? Let's learn how to talk about the weather like real English speakers.
All right, let's learn some simple, everyday weather phrases. These are phrases you can use anywhere, in a shop, at school, at work, or with a friend. If you want, you can repeat after us. Don't be shy. Repeating helps you learn faster. Phrase 1. It's sunny today. Phrase 2. It looks like rain. Phrase 3. It's a bit cold. Phrase 4. The weather is perfect.
Nice! These are super useful. Let's practice them in short examples so they feel natural.
Okay, James. How's the weather where you are?
It's sunny today. A little warm, actually. Feels like summer is coming early. And you, Rebecca?
Well, sorry. I woke up very early today. The weather here is cool and fresh. Really nice for a morning walk.
That yawn was real. Cool weather makes me sleepy too.
Yes. And speaking of sleepy, listeners, here's a useful phrase. The weather makes me sleepy. You can use this when the weather is cloudy, cold, or just slow.
Or you can say, this weather makes me want a hot drink, like tea, coffee, hot chocolate, whatever you love.
Yes. And another one I use a lot. The weather feels nice today. It's simple and works in almost every situation.
Let's try a little mini conversation so listeners can practice. Hey, Rebecca, it looks like rain.
Oh no! Really? I didn't bring an umbrella.
See? Easy, natural, simple. Just one weather phrase can start a friendly conversation.
So, listeners, repeat with us. It's a bit cold today. It's sunny today. It looks like rain. The weather is perfect.
Great! You're doing amazing. Keep that energy. These small phrases make your English sound natural and confident.
Okay, let's do a practical dialogue. Imagine you meet someone at work, school, or in the street.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Wow, it's really cold today.
Yes, I know. I had to wear 2 jackets.
Same here. Do you think it will rain later?
Maybe. The sky looks dark.
True. Okay, stay warm.
You too.
Weather doesn't just change the sky. It also changes how we feel. Some days feel light and happy, and some days feel heavy or slow. So let's practice weather plus emotions. Simple sentences that help you express your mood. Here are some useful beginner sentences. You can repeat after me if you want. Rainy days make me relaxed. Sometimes rain feels calming, like a soft rhythm. Sunny days give me energy. Bright light, warm skin, it feels motivating. Cold weather makes me tired. When it's cold, we move slower, like we want to stay in bed. Windy days make me nervous. You know, when the wind is strong and everything is shaking. Hot weather makes me slow. Everything feels too heavy.
That slow voice. I felt it. Yes, when it's hot, everything becomes slow. Even my brain.
Same. Hot days turn me into a sleepy turtle.
Hey, turtles are cute.
Yes, but not very fast. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn.
Try saying one of these sentences about your city. Something simple like, sunny days give me energy in New York. Or, cold weather makes me tired in my town.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak softly, slowly, naturally. Your voice is learning. One sentence at a time.
Okay, let's make this even more useful. Imagine you're outside, in the real world, buying something, and you want to make small talk about the weather. This is exactly how native speakers do it. Simple, relaxed, friendly.
For example, let's say you're at a cafe. Good morning. A hot coffee, please. It's really cold today.
Of course. Yes, it's freezing outside. Here's your coffee. Enjoy.
Thank you. Stay warm.
You too.
See? Simple, natural, friendly. You don't need long sentences. Just one weather phrase makes the conversation feel warm.
Let's try another one. Imagine you're buying bread at a bakery. Hi, one baguette, please. It looks like rain today.
Yes, the clouds are very dark. Better take in an umbrella. Here you go. One baguette.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
See? Weather talk makes you sound polite and confident. It's small, but powerful.
So, next time you buy something, try this. One sentence about the weather, one friendly smile, and your English will feel more natural instantly.
Rebecca, do you ever check the weather app and it lies to you?
Yes, all the time. It says sunny, and I'm happy. And then boom, rain everywhere.
Exactly. I go outside without an umbrella, and then I regret it instantly.
Oh no, classic James. The weather app betrayed you again.
Every single week. I think my weather app has trust issues.
Listeners, when this happens, here are some simple sentences you can use. I didn't expect rain. The weather changed suddenly.
Or you can say, the forecast was wrong.
Or, my favorite, I should have brought an umbrella.
Yes, learn from my mistakes, everyone.
Weather surprises are funny, confusing, and very normal. But they're also great moments to practice English.
Repeat after me. It's sunny. It's raining. It's windy. It's cold today. The weather is perfect.
Great! Keep practicing. You're improving every day. Thank you for listening to English Clear Conversations today. We hope you enjoyed this friendly weather chat.
Yes, and remember, every time you talk about the weather, you are practicing English.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode. Your support means everything to us.
See you in the next episode. Stay warm, stay cool, or stay dry, depending on your weather.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.